Good morning, everybody. It's an early morning, the first early morning of the year. We're going fishing at this beautiful lake today. We might do a little pond hopping, but for now we're gonna start here and see what happens. We'll get the yak loaded up and get on the water, and we'll see you there. All right, we're here. We're here. We're doing it. Hopefully that's pretty steady. Here we go. 2 camera setup this year, fellas. We're at an Iowa lake. And never been here before. I'm gonna try and break 80 inches today. And we're just getting started right by the ramp. I don't have anything marked, obviously. I've never been here before. Depth map is pretty basic. I do have some inside info on a potential rock pile. But for now, we're gonna kind of ouch, that hurt. We're gonna kind of chatterbait ourselves around. Today is March 21st, and it's gonna feel like July today. It's gonna be like 90 degrees. So I don't know what it's gonna do to the fish, but all we can do is try, huh? I made an 1.5-hour drive this morning, 1 Alani deep. We are loaded down like it's a tournament, and I'm gonna treat it like it's a tournament. That's pretty neat, huh? Oops. There's a fish. Alright, not a big one, but it's a start. We're on the board today. Are you going to be 12 inches? You are 12 inches. We're on the board with the 12 inch. No ways to go to get to 80, but start is a start. Came on the red lipless. Cool. They're all the same size. Look at how I got this bait. Look at that. $12.25. All right, well that's cool. We're up to 3 here. They're not very big, but found a little. There's another one. This one's better. This one's better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice. Long one. Cool. 16. All right. There's one of the ones we need. Sweet. There he goes. I told you I was going to catch another one on this point. Now he's not going to be 12, but he is a fish. And one fish is better than 0 fish. Okay. That's one of my patterns, honestly. And there's one. He might make the team. Are you 12? Let's see. Oh yeah. 13 and a quarter. Because he has a long tail. Cool. There's another one. He's a little better. I think he'll make the team at least. Oh God, look at how he got this bait. Oh my goodness. Talk about wanting it. Head first. Right down the yap. Deal. $14 3/4. 14 3/4. I hope that angle is like worth it at all. That's a good one. That's a good one. I thought it was way bigger. You're not even gonna make the team. Poor guy took it right in the gill too. Sorry, dude. Nah, he'll be alright. You catch one and then you blow way back. One more and then we're gonna fire back in with the rat. This didn't screw him up. I don't know why it would, but didn't screw him up. This one may help. May not, but it may help. We'll see. Oh yeah. 13 and a half. Big. He's gonna help. Oh, he's peeing. Ouch. 14 on the nose. I haven't idled this, so I don't know if there's like a little rock pile or something. We'll find out, but good spot nonetheless, even if there isn't. It's makes sense though, like wind's gonna push bait up against this bank, and it's a little main lake point. I don't think it really points out. It's not like super sexy big point, but I bet there's some hard bottom though, just from what I'm seeing on the bank with these little rip wrap deals. It almost looks like it's an old boat ramp. So maybe there's a little bit of gravel down there. I don't know. There's a good one. Or just, he's not. He just hit it good. He's a dink. He crushed it though. Oh. He might not even make the video. Who knows? That's it. Feels good. Oh, don't jump. He's not that big, but he might help the team. $14 3/4. Cool. I believe he's number 11. Sorry about the audio. Nice. Little one. At least I thought he was. No, he's not a little one. That's hilarious. Look at me. God, look at how he got that bait. Look at how he got that bait. You think he wanted it? He's an out. Are you gonna be 15? Nope, you're gonna be 14 3/4, but that's okay. Ways to go to hit 80 though. Man, they're chewing this thing, but I want to catch one on a chatterbait. I really want to catch one on a jig, but it feels like a moving bait day. Down it? Down it? Can you guys even see me back there? I hope so. Probably can't, but whatever. That's nuts. No chance, right? Nope. Is this the right one? Oh, he's spinning. That's why he felt bigger than he is. He felt huge. Not gonna help the team. I mean, they're not huge, but they're really fun. They're exactly what I want. I came here because I wanted a lot of little. Well, I just wanted to get bit a lot, honestly. I never want little ones, but 19? That might be a good one. The way he hit it was reminiscent of a better one. Got him. $14.5. Genuinely don't know if that helps or not. Let's find out. It's crazy how dialed they are on this bite, or in this bait. They're like super dialed on this one bait. I mean, you've seen it. I've tried chatterbait and they're just not eating it as good. Gotta be honest with you, I don't really know what I'm fishing. When I find out, I'll share. It could just be a wind-blown point that really doesn't have much special to it, but are you big or are you just hooked weird? At times it felt big, it's not, but at times it felt kind of big. Skinny one. That's 22. Yeah, 21. 21. I should stop saying because I'm probably way off, but nicer. just gotta... Is this one better? Oh, I snagged him. Whoops. Oh, he's bleeding pretty bad. Sorry, dude. 25. School moved toward me. Oh my god, he's got it like in his gullet. I hope he doesn't, but he might. Oh yeah, he's 15. Cool. Missed him. I think that was 27. Oh yeah, it's a good one. You should quit dicking around with it. Might be the biggest one of the day, and it's only got one hook. And it's in the worst possible spot. Got him. Fish. Nice fish. Sixteen. There we go. That one feels good unless you hit it weird. It feels pretty big though. And it looks pretty good. Not huge, but pretty nice one. This is 29. This one's 15 and a half, right on. You want to catch some again? First jig fish of the year. Nice. It's also number 30 today, I believe. That was on the Big Wizard from LS. Need to take this hoodie off. This is a good one. This is a real good one. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Real nice fish. Real nice fish. Biggest of the day for sure. Come here. Come here. Come here. There we go. Deal. Big Wizard's out here feeding the families. $18.5. Hell yeah. All right, 18.5, biggest of the day. This might have gotten us to 80, honestly. Get a release on this big girl. Sweet. Awesome. All right, well that is gonna do it for part 1 of this little road trip series, the first edition. I'm gonna jump over to a new lake. That was kind of a struggle until it wasn't. We found them on one spot and found a lot of them, and that was fun. But that was the only place in the lake where I got really bit. So I guess just keep grinding until you find the spot. Right, welcome back to the road trip series, the second part. We're at a new lake. It's not very big. It's very clear. I've never been here before, so we're gonna give it a shot. It got real hot and we're kind of in a canyon, so it's not really the best in terms of wind. So I might have some overheat issues, but we're gonna give it a shot and see. I caught one. Would you looky there? He's pretty at least, but he's a big one. I caught a topwater fish in March. That's cool. I don't know if that really counts, but he did swirl on top. That's gonna do it. This lake was kind of a strikeout, but sometimes you do that on these trips when you've never been to a lake before. I kind of like this idea for a series. So the road trip series, fishing new water, might become a thing. I don't know. We'll see. It takes you to some pretty cool places, pretty interesting things. I like adventures. I can guarantee you it's not always going to be bass fishing. I think my next one might be a different species, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. But I'm tired. It's been a long day. It's really hot for March. But thanks for watching all the way to the end, and we'll see you on the next one.